Gemios T125SF from beyblade.net, and today we're going to be unboxing of the 8th Random Booster 9. And by judging, I think it's either Cloud Gemios or Cloud Lyra. And here's the back. The back just shows what the other Beyblades can come with. I'll just open it. I really do think it's maybe Cloud Gemios. I can feel Cloud in here. Oh, I see Cloud. Yeah, it is Cloud Gemios. Oh, and it is nice. It is Cloud Gemios. Really nice. One nice Beyblade. I'll just leave it there. And I'll get out the rest of the parts. Oh, toolbar and SF. I'll get a track. The track is T125. Let's put it together. Okay, now with the parts. I'll just get out the stickers for it. Oh, here are the stickers. They kind of look a little bit whitish, blackish. Mostly white. Really nice stickers. I'll just leave it here along with the toolbar. Here. And of course, now I will get to the stickers. At the stickers now, Cloud Gemios looks really nice. And now we're going to do a test launch and see what Cloud Gemios does. Oh, Cloud Gemios is just circling around with a semi-cloud performance dip. It's really nice when it spins. Really nice Beyblade. Please make sure you like this video and make it your favorite. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.